Oh man, AMC is getting interesting right now. CNBC just last night they let the cat out of the bag that there are naked shorts. It's gonna get really interesting Monday. I'll play the clip for you. If you guys don't mind hitting the like button, pushing this video out to more people so more people hear it, it's gonna be really important that this gets circulated around. Also, there is a link down there to Webull in case you want some free stocks. It's by far my favorite platform. For anyone that's wondering what I use, that's the one that I use regularly. It's really easy to use after you get used to it. Also, there's a link down there to BlockFi in case you want interest rate on your cryptocurrency and a bonus just for signing up. That's the cryptocurrency company I use to buy.
There's a lot of people, there are a lot of short sellers out there that have been borrowing stock they didn't have. In other words, yes, I think there are dynamics where retail investors can get caught, but it's really a dynamic where I think this is going after bad companies.
Yeah, but here's what's interesting.
So let's talk about that for a second. So he says there are a lot of instances of people. Well, I'll just play it here again one more time.
There's a lot of people, there are a lot of short sellers out there that have been borrowing stock they didn't have. In other words, yet.
So there are a lot of short sellers out there that are borrowing stocks that they don't have. And then she says naked shorts, and look at her face. When she says it, she cannot believe she said it. She's open mouthed after that. These two people look pissed off. He actually looked a little bit surprised when she said that, and she's just open mouthed. So the cat's out of the bag. Mainstream media is saying that there are naked shorts on AMC. Now, this is something that we suspected. This is something that we will probably know when we get done with that share recount, but that can take a while. So it was almost like they have it was almost like they have to beat us down before that comes out to like let out all the steam out of the bag because there's still a lot of shorts in this stock. I've covered that several times this week. There are still the majority of shorts that have not covered. Even though we've gone up in the last 1 month from $9 all the way up to 62 and gone up 60 or 600%, a lot of them haven't covered yet. So the fact is, it's a race against time, and it's a race of, it's a race against time for the institutions before that actually comes out. It's a race against time for the investors because a lot of investors, while the options don't matter as much, they still have options. So they are trying to get this pushed up quickly, and they're trying to get that short squeeze because again, there's not going to be a short squeeze most likely if it happens slowly. If AMC goes up 5% a day, it's not going to cause a short squeeze. We need everything to happen really quickly and then for it to shoot up. Now, I've said I don't think that the short squeeze has happened yet. I think this was a gamma squeeze, and we talked about that. I think there's still more fuel in the tank here, especially if this starts circulating that AMC does have naked shorts and CNBC is saying it, because that gives us some, I would say, some reason to think, or even more reason to think that there are naked shorts, I would say, beyond what we've already done research on. So that gives us the extra fuel, right? There's like a little bit of fuel in the fire, and someone says, I have more fuel in the tank of my truck, and you don't know how much there is, but you know that there could be a lot coming for us. So if we can cause the short squeeze, who knows how quickly it could go up because of all those naked shorts. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stock analyst, but I think if this actually gets to more people, that this will really help them hold strong. Now, the last couple days, we've seen it dip about 24%, 23%, and then also another 9% after hours. Now, this is probably a mix of new shorts. It's probably a mix of people that are just taking profits before the weekend. So if they do see this again and they feel a little bit stronger on Monday, they know what's coming. Hey, there are a lot of people that saw that there were naked shorts talked about on AMC or on CNBC for AMC. It could be big. I think that there could be some more people throwing money at it. Now, of course, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't predict the future, but it strengthens the movement. And it strengthens the conviction of a lot of people that maybe forgot exactly why they did it in the first place or just wanted more confirmation along the way. Now, of course, anything can happen. We've seen that the last couple days. I think if you took a poll back on Wednesday, a lot of people thought that Thursday was going to be a great day, and it actually fell pretty drastically. But you have to remember, too, we came from $9 a month ago. Even over the last 5 days, it was in the 27 range and went all the way up, and it's still up 75%. So a couple retreats, some people taking profits is normal. Now, of course, I want to hear what you guys think about this down below in the comments. What do you think about CNBC openly admitting naked shorts on TV? Now, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button, I really appreciate that. There is a link down there to Webull and to BlockFi. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Get yourself some free money if you want, and then throw it at AMC. Definitely check out those links, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.